Sales is a team sport, and that's why OnePageCRM made team collaboration so easy. Let's say one of your prospects has a technical question. Well, then it's time to bring your technical colleague, Nina, into the conversation. Once the inquiry is resolved, Nina leaves a note with the quick mention to Brian. Brian will be instantly notified about the comment and the sale can move forward. And if someone on your team is behind on their targets, open the team stream and reprioritize the workload. In just a few clicks, you can assign their contacts to someone else, move deals between team members, or reassign actions to others. A sales CRM is a shared workspace, and that's why your team has access to documents, widgets, and the shared inbox. OnePageCRM's email sync works for all users. If your colleague leaves the company, their emails with the VIP prospect stay inside your CRM, so you can pick up the conversation where it was left off. You can also control user access to your CRM data. If you don't want anyone to accidentally delete contacts or deals, change their user permissions. If you hire an external contractor, you can make them a focused user. They'll have access only to their own contacts and won't be able to see your whole database. You can also divide your team into groups. This makes it easier to filter the dashboard, pipelines, as well as report on group KPIs. And if you want to get real-time updates on new contacts, emails sent, actions created, and so on, check out the activity section.